Alright guys, so let's walk through this 15.6 million Ugandan shillings kitchen. So starting from, let's first hide this part. Now we're going to start from here. Here we have a dishwasher. By the way, the 15.6 doesn't include the appliances, the sink, the cooker hoods, and also the microwave and the fridge and this other hand washing basin. So the 15.6 million is just for the kitchen things on the boardwork and the worktops. So I'm going to walk you through, and labor is exclusive of that amount. So at this point, we have the dishwashing machine. This space is ample enough. You can either put a dishwashing machine, or if you don't want to have one of these, you can put a washing machine right in that space. Then here we have a couple of shutters with a drawer unit that can store some of your cooking ware. And then we have here a stainless steel drawer basket, the one that you can use for storing your saucepans and bigger kitchen appliances. Then we have this long or high cabinet that can fit your microwave and a couple of drawers for other kitchen appliances. Then above the fridge cabinet, we also have some ample storage where you can still store a lot of other things. So here you can find out to for the upper cabinets we have some glass, and here you can find out how to incorporate that open space to make your stuff look nice. You can put maybe a plant or two. Yeah. Then moving on to the last unit of this kitchen, we have here a kitchen island. So the kitchen island has some drawer sections inside, and then it has shutters around here. This sink is because of the sink pipe being right below there. So this island has a sink which is going to be a hand washing basin, so it can sit about 4 people. And this is how the kitchen looks like. The space that this kitchen was designed in is about 244, which is approximately 6 meters of wide. So let me know what you think about this design, and if you want your kitchen space to be designed and see the price, reach out to my numbers. They're going to be there either in the description of this video if you're watching it on YouTube, or on TikTok bio. So yeah, see you guys in our next design.